Yes, ma'am. There are there are many ways to correct this. First of all, government should decrease the rate of petrol and diesel and set it in that way which everyone can afford it easily. They should make a rule that if any company or petrol pump tries to make their rates high, then they should seal their company or petrol pump. If they still not listen, then they should demolish it. So it is my humble request to print this article at the front page of your newspaper.
Okay, very well done. Yes, exactly, but it's correct. So verb is the action word. So 90% students, only 4 raised hand for giving answer of verb. Verb is the action. Right now I'm doing action that I'm teaching. You people are listening. So all are the actions. Okay? Verb is the action. You will pick out the action and then you will tell me whether it is transitive or intransitive. I will write 4 sentences. 2 will be done by offline students and next 2 by online. Okay? Number 2. He is playing in the playground. They are reading a book. I'll write number 4 later. So yes, offline student, Avneet, Rajaran, Raghav and Bishop in this order. पहले दो answer Avneet and Rajaran. Yes, please. Pick out verb. Pick out verb. Yes, playing is the verb. Now it is transitive or intransitive? Why transitive? Reason? Why this is okay? Your answer is correct. This is transitive verb. Why this is transitive? You have to explain so that मेरे को पता चल जाए आपने guess नहीं लगाया आपको सच्ची पता था. एक मिनट. हाँ. Okay. What is the reason? Guitar is the object. You are getting answer of what or whom. पहले आपने यहाँ तक sentence बोलना है. He is playing what? He is playing what? You are getting answer. So this is your transitive verb. Okay. Next, Radharan. Okay. Where? Yes. He is playing where? Playground. पर हमें where का आंसर नहीं चाहिए. We just need answer of what or whom. हमें सिर्फ ये दो आंसर चाहिए. Where का नहीं चाहिए तो this is intransitive. Okay. Now online student Devang, next answer.
Ma'am, reading. Are reading.
And this is
Transit. Transitive.
repeat it and explain it also, please.
Transitive because it is showing us the answer of what.
Yes, they are reading what? A book. So you are getting answer. This is your transitive verb. Now next one. So किसकी टर्न है बेटा? Okay, Bishop. Number 4. Okay, reason. ठीक है. Next. और बेटा वर्ब क्या बोला आपने? नहीं वर्ब कौन सा इनमें से? नेक्स्ट इज अक्षरा. अक्षरा नंबर 6 बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, verb is are invited.
And it is
And intransitive verb.
yes. Why so? Why this is not transitive?
Because it gives the answer of where.
Where का आंसर आ रहा है? Correct answer. So Akshara, you can mute yourself. And the last sentence, after that we'll do one writing skill. Yes, Savya, Gaurish and Karthik, anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, killed is the
Ma'am,
verb.
killed
Ma'am,
verb
killed is the
and
verb
ma'am,
and
it is transitive
intransitive.
Why?
Ma'am,
because it is
is
giving the answer of whom.
Ma'am, because it is giving the answer of
किसको
whom.
मार दिया उसने? Whom का
It is
answer आ रहा है?
giving the answer of
Yes.
whom.
Okay, next one also.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
is
he is
Ma'am,
preparing
is the verb.
and ma'am
and
transitive
Ma'am, it is
because it is giving the
it
transitive
is
answer of what.
also
because it is
transitive what?
giving the answer of what.
बेटा मेरे अकॉर्डिंग तो फॉर व्हाट का आंसर आ रहा है. फॉर व्हाट का आ रहा है या फॉर व्हाट का आ रहा है? ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग व्हाट. अगर यहाँ पे फॉर ना होता देन व्हाट का आंसर आ रहा था, बट अभी यहाँ पे फॉर है. So this is
मैम फिर आई थी
Ma'am, फिर intransitive.
Intransitive.
try to change it into passive form. अगर आपको लगे कि passive form में change नहीं हो रहा then it is always intransitive. हमने passive form
Okay,
की
ma'am.
थी ना, object आगे आता है subject बाद में. अगर आप बनाने की कोशिश करोगे ये नहीं बनेंगे. Okay, because for preposition is there, for what का आंसर आ रहा है, what का नहीं आ रहा. So this is the end of
Okay,
the
ma'am.
topic, the verb. Now I am giving you one writing skill. We will do today informal letter. So please note down heading informal letter. Informal letter. Informal letter. Note down the question. Write a letter to your friend. Write a letter to your friend, inviting him or her to your sister's wedding. Sister's wedding. Also tell him the plan that you have made for the wedding. Also tell him प्लान और प्रेपरेशन, ठीक है, आपको सारी बतानी है। ऑल्सो टेल हिम अबाउट द preparations you have made. How many paragraphs are there in informal letter generally? 3 paragraphs. But you can make 4 also. It is not compulsory, but 3 should be there. Now format. कौन बताएगा? Raise your hand, please. Sender कौन होता है? Okay. Sender's address, name of the city. Write your address. Yes. Write your address, everyone, please. And tell me one address. अब नहीं देखा, हाउस नंबर बताओ. गुरु इनक्लेव. Okay. (31) Guru Enclave with city Jalandhar, obviously. Then leave one line. You will write date. डेट किसने लिखी है आज? ये किसने लिखी है? Then dear, name of your friend. Now please write down the first paragraph. Greet your friend. Say hello, how are you? उसका थोड़ा हालचाल पूछो. Then give him the good news. You will be happy. Yes, you will be happy to know that my sister is getting married next month, and I am writing this letter to invite you on the occasion. Write down the first paragraph, and then you have to speak up, please. Same boat कैसे? पहले आप अपना हाल बताओगे, फिर same boat लिखना. I am fine, and I hope you are. Yes, I am fine लिखना जरूरी है. If you want to write, you are sailing in the same boat. Write down the first paragraph and then please raise your hand if you are ready. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I am fine and I hope that this letter finds you in the pink of your health. Today you will be very glad to know that my sister is getting married. I am writing this letter to invite you in my sister's wedding.
Okay, yes, absolutely correct. Next is Savya. So everyone please make first paragraph. You can add some nice lines in it. उसको news देने के लिए. Okay, yes, Savya.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I am fine here. I hope this letter find you in the pink of your health. You will be glad to know that my sister's wedding is fixed in the next week. You also have to come in the marriage.
Okay. Okay, this thing you can write in the last paragraph or in the second. In the first paragraph, write the purpose of writing the letter. So this is the reason that I am writing this letter. No doubt I will send you invitation card also, but this is the invitation in advance because I want you to come 3-4 days before. है ना? आप कुछ ऐसा लिख सकते हो. Okay. Next is Devang.
मैम मैं अभी बना रहा हूँ फर्स्ट पैरा, वो पहले से है.
Anyone else, please raise your hands. I'm waiting, everyone. Offline students also, जल्दी से लिख के hand raise. Yes, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Hope you are also you are sailing in the same boat. The purpose of writing this letter is to that my sister's wedding is fixed, and I want to invite you to my sister's wedding.
Go second paragraph. Venue, date, time, activities that you have planned, everything you will write in the second paragraph, not in the first paragraph. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hello, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are sitting in the same boat. I invited you to my sister's wedding. I hope you are coming to my sister's.
I hope you will come. Yes. Correct. First paragraph लिख लिया? Okay, speak up. After Raghav, Jasween, you will speak up. I'm just listening to Raghav. Yes. Yes. So I am inviting through this letter, I am inviting you and your family on this occasion. Okay, nice. Jasween.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, and I hope my letter finds you in pink of your health and high spirits. Today is the inviting day. I mean to say that my sister is getting married next month, and I want to invite you and your whole family to this special event.
Yes, very nice, Vita. Well done. Okay, next is Devang. Then Jahid. Vita, unmute, please.
Hello, how are you? I am fine here. I hope that you are sailing in the same boat. This letter receives you in pink of your health and in good spirits. It's a long time that I haven't written a letter to you because of the lockdown. But now I am free to write the letter to you. Through this letter, I am inviting to you and your family on my sister's wedding.
Okay.
Ma'am, first paragraph.
Yes, Vita. Nice. Okay. Next is Jahid. Ceremonies.
Yes, ma'am.
Time,
Hello,
date,
how-
place. Yes, please. Yes, Jahid.
Hello, how are you? I am fine. I hope that this letter would find you in the pink of your health and in high spirits. I have written this letter to you for inviting you and your family in my sister's wedding. I will be very happy if you will come on my sister's wedding.
Okay. Well done, Vita. Nice. Okay. So I think I have given chance to all the students. Now I think Karthik, you want to speak second paragraph?
नो मैम, मैम आई हैव अ डाउट मैम, सेकंड पैराग्राफ में आप एक बार थोड़ा सा आइडिया दे दो, लिखना क्या हमने उसमें.
I am writing hints here. So please see date, time, place. You will mention here. And the ceremonies, like 2-3 days before, we people start ceremonies.
मैम जो आपने ड्रेस कोड लिखा है वो क्या है?
ड्रेस थीम या कोड होता है. कई बार जो फैमिली मेंबर्स होते हैं, they decide to wear pink color clothes or black colored clothes.
ओके मैम.
Just mention that also. Okay. And yes, everyone, ceremonies, especially on the girls' marriage, there are so many ceremonies like bangle ceremony and all. So you can mention, especially girls is mention kar sakti hain, that you can invite your friends on this ceremony also. Then there is one lady sangeet also. So और कौन सी ceremonies होती हैं before marriage, please? Ring ceremony, okay. अगर आपको लगता है 2 days before, there will be a ring ceremony. After marriage, there is a reception also, so you can mention that. And dress code, this is optional. If you want to mention, then you can. That we have decided the dress code also. We will be wearing pink clothes or black clothes. If you have a nice suit matching our dress code, then you can bring that too. Okay, you can write that. And other preparation. So I am preparing one dance performance. And I want you to join me in this performance, and on the wedding day we will be performing on the stage. And other preparations, अगर आपके मन में कोई रह गई है तो ठीक है. These type of things you can mention in the second paragraph. Yes, Sabir.
स्टार्ट कैसे करना है एक बार वो बता दो.
Now let me tell
Second
you.
paragraph.
Now let me tell you about the preparations, ठीक है, or the whole plan of the wedding, ठीक है. That wedding will be held at this time, ठीक है. Then you can continue, ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So you
Thank
can
you.
start your second paragraph by writing this line that let me tell you the whole plan of the wedding. Wedding ceremony will be held at Dash Palace at this time on this date. Yes.
My sister's wedding. By September.
Will be held on. बस 5 तारीख को है. आज कितनी है? परसों मैरिज और आज लेटर लिख रहे हो. तो लेटर पहुंचेगी पता कब? 7-8 तारीख को. एंड रिसेप्शन भी हो जानी है तो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. Is in, not was, is. Decoration was beautiful, no? We have decided to decorate the whole palace with these flowers. Kuch flowers mention kar do. Yes, I need your help. I hope you will join me soon, okay? And don't forget to ask your parents also, okay, to come on this occasion. Okay, anyone else? Jasmine, I think you are raising hand. Jasmine, always try to raise the hand which is yellow in color because it is not visible. That fair hand, okay? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, लिख रही हूँ मैं.
Okay, you are writing. I think your hand was raised, so I thought you had it. Okay. Write down, then please raise hand. At least 10 to 12 lines should be there in the second paragraph. And girls तो और भी लिख सकती हैं. That early in the morning we all will go to parlor to get ready. These type of things. अब boys तो नहीं लिखेंगे चलो. No doubt these days boys also go, so you can also mention. So 1 minute from my side, then we'll discuss. Third paragraph is normal, and I won't hear any excuses. You have to come with your family. Okay? Don't give me any excuse. You have to come. ये लिख दिया, ये लिख दो. Okay? I need your help on this occasion. Hoping to see you soon. Yours lovingly. Then आपका name. Okay? Yes. You can come here. Okay, after this, Gauri will speak.
I have planned all the things with my family. The palace at which my sister is going to be married is Kamal Palace. I have invited all my relatives, friends, and also my sister friends. The time and date is of 2 October, 5 p.m. The ceremony will start 2 days before. The dress code is of red and pink clothes, in which men will wear red clothes and women will wear pink clothes. There will be so many preparations. I have also prepared a dance performance. After marriage, there will be a reception also. The boy whom which my sister is going to be married is also so handsome, intelligent, and good looking. This marriage is going to be so wonderful.
So I like the last line. The boy with whom my sister is getting married is so handsome, intelligent, and good looking. Okay, good looking, handsome. Okay, same. Yes, Gaurish.
मैम हम जो आई हैव अ डाउट मैम हमने पैलेस का कैसा का नाम रख सकते हैं हम जहाँ पे रिजॉर्ट जो भी
Any
फिक्स हुआ
palace,
होगा
you can mention Haveli Heritage is there. So many palaces are there. You can write any palace. अगर आप
Okay, ma'am.
हवेली की तरफ जाओ वहाँ पे number of palaces हैं. You can just pick out only one. Yes.
एक्चुअली मैम लॉकडाउन के कारण हमने कोई मैरिज अटेंड ही नहीं की सारे पैलेसेस भूल चुका हूँ मैं अब कौन सा पैलेस
Okay, Haveli Heritage is there, Hollyhock Palace is there. जितने मेरे को याद है, तो same is the case with me. So I think और आप hotels mention कर सकते हो. Country Inn Hotel is there, Best Western is there. So और कौन सी hotels हैं यहाँ पे? Radisson is there, yes. और Ramada is there. President, okay. Okay, fine. So you can mention any hotel. Now get ready quickly. We have just 5 minutes left. Jaldi se bol do beta. Third paragraph, Raghav, jaldi. Third paragraph. I need your help on this occasion. I won't hear any excuses from your side. You have to come with your family. Okay? Separate invitation is attached with this letter. Yeah, I will send you invitation card also soon. So at last, yours lovingly. So many students write apostrophe S in yours. Please don't write apostrophe S. Simply write yours lovingly. Then your name. Hope to see you soon. This is your third paragraph. Done third paragraph? Chalo, speak up because online students are writing still.
I need your help. I hope you are coming. I don't know.
I will not hear any excuse. Avneet, how much you have written? Please come here. And whenever you have to change the paragraph, you have to leave one line, okay?
Let me tell you about all the plan of wedding. The wedding will be held on 20 September. We will also decide the dress code, which is red and black. After the marriage, there is a reception at night. We also arrange the hotel for the guests.
So keep writing, please. Continue karo and complete it. Chehek.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Let me tell you.
Hmm.
Let me tell you the whole plan for the wedding. The wedding is on 20th September in Kamal Palace. Timings for the wedding are 6 o'clock to 11 o'clock. There are so many ceremonies in it. We have decided to decorate the whole palace with flowers. I need your help, and the dress code of wedding is pink colored. There are dance performances in it. I have also prepared one dance performance. I want you to join with me in my dance performance. Then my third paragraph. The preparations will be wonderful. I hope that you will join me in my preparations and will join you. No, I hope that you will join me soon.
Okay. Nice, Vita. Well done. So see, you have written the whole letter, and if you will write like this, you will easily get at least 7 marks out of 8. अगर हम थोड़ी सी गलतियां भी निकाल दें, still you have to write this much in exam also, okay? Yes, Jasmine, please speak up.
I'm very happy on this occasion. I want you to become part of my this happiness. I am also inviting some more friends on the marriage. Now let me tell you the whole plan of the marriage. To start 2 to 3 days before, and I want you to attend all the functions like Lady Sangeet, Jago, ring ceremony, and more functions. Some functions will be at our home and some will be at a palace. We have invited few of the relatives due to COVID-19 because in happiness we should not forget this pandemic. The dress code of the marriage is the yellow. If possible, you can also wear yellow clothes. I will send you all the wedding cards in which day, time, place, all will be written.
Okay, very nice. So Jasmine, excellent, Vita. So she has mentioned that in our happiness also we should not forget this pandemic. So we have invited few guests, okay, few more important guests. So you are also very important for me. That's why I'm writing this letter to you, okay? Okay, anyone else? We have just 1 minute left if you want to speak. जितना भी लिख लिया आप उतना बोल दो, please. Yes, Vita. After that, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. This letter is very special because I have invited very special guests that are close to my sister and me. So I have written this letter to you also. Here's the whole plan of the wedding. First, there is the ring ceremony on 10 September 2021. It is in the Blue Venice Palace at 7 p.m. Then there are some other ceremonies in next 2-3 days. After that, after 1 week, there is my sister's wedding. We have decided that on the wedding, the dress code will be of golden color. I want that you should come 2-3 days before the ring ceremony. We have also decorated the palace with beautiful flowers. We will enjoy a lot. There are many dance performances in the functions, and I have also prepared a dance performance, and I also want that you to join me in my dance performance, and we will rock in that function. So it is my request to please come in my sister's wedding and enjoy a lot.
Okay, very
And
nice.
only this much I have written.
Very good. So, Shubh. So everyone, so those who were raising hand, I have given chance to all. Now Shubh is left only. After Shubh, I'll end up just this meeting. Yes, Vita.
Now let me tell you some information about preparations. The date of marriage is 12th September and time is 8 p.m. at night. The venue of marriage place is MS Farms. There are many ceremonies like bangle ceremony, lady sangeet, etc. The dress code of marriage is pink, and if you have pink clothes, then you can wear that also. There are so many preparations. There are so many dance performances also. I have also prepared a dance, and I want to join me and I want you to join me in in my dance performance. We have also decorated the palace with flowers. I will also send you the invitation card. This is the whole plan of wedding.
Okay.
Ma'am, third parent, I want to see you in the marriage of my sister. I want help from you and we will enjoy a lot.
Okay. Well done, Vita. Well done.